Hi guys, in this video I will show you what is the new features in Laravel 12. So we will review together. So let me go here and you can see over here I created PDF for that. So you can see that Laravel 12 is officially released on 24th February 2025. Okay. And yeah, and you can see that if you want to yearly access, then you need to run this command. You can say like folder name, okay, and then after you need to write dev master. So that means from the GitHub they will download like development branch. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy this, okay, and I already run this command. So you can see that over here you can do something like this way, okay, like composer and hit enter, but I already did that. You can see that hello world project, and I've already opened in my browser. You can see that it's already downloaded with PHP 8.2, more than like greater than 8.2 PHP version is required, and you can see that 12.0 over here, okay. And I already run over here the application, and let me go here and let me show you the version 12.x dev. Okay, so this is right now development environment, but 24th February it will be released officially. So yeah, you can access it. Now let me go here, and first they simplified simplified nested query with nested where. Okay, so first features they have released, and you can see that you can write like where condition like this way: price should be lower than 500 or discount will be greater than 25. Okay, and same thing you can do, you can write this way, okay, nested where and price is lower than 500, or you can add discount should be greater than 25. Okay, so this is the first okay, features they are going to add. And then second, they have added like carbon 3 support, because Laravel 10 11 they are using carbon 2, but right now they have added carbon 3. So of course they are adding like a new helper function with carbon. Okay, and there is a third okay, third features is string. Okay, string is that support the multi strings. Okay, before like multi line string are not going to support, but right now you, if you have a like paragraph or like long text, then you can fill like easily, you can search with that. And you can see that I given the over here, like by default you can see that here is first, then star and true. Right now it's written true because it's a first line, second line, third line. Before it was giving false because multi-line string function was not support. Okay, and then fourth new features is secure validate. So they have enhanced security. So by default they are using like password required my minimum 8 character, but now they are using strong validation, so like with secure validate. Okay, so you can like also use this way. And then fifth, API validation, they are changing the routing. So you can see that in before with Laravel 11 version we need to define the API like route like this way, API slash v1 route, something like this way. But now they upgraded API version, okay, in Laravel 12, and you can use like one, you can pass this way, two if you want to pass the two then. Okay, and then you can see something like this where later you can easily change 2 into 3, 3 into 4, something like that way you can easily manage. Okay, and then they also in the sixth feature they also improved the testing and debugging tools. So you can just, you need to use debug helper function, and then you can use the suggest helper. So using the suggest helper, it will call the AI and the getting the suggested result. For example, like object not found or anything you missed, you forgot to add semicolon or anything, then AI will automatically give you the answer as well. Okay, and then seventh feature is the concurrency result index mapping. So like you can use this facade and real time, you can see create the function, as inside the function you can write or your own logic like multiply or plus or anything. So in this example just given like task 1 key, and inside the value that you can add 1 plus 1, and then task 2 key with the function 2 plus 2, that means 4. So at the end result will be task 1 with the 2 key value, and key will be task 2 and value will be 4. So that means like you can work with multidimensional associate array, and then you can like work with the function. Okay, Yeah, and then at the end for eighth number of features will be image validation now exclude the SVGs. Okay, so that means by default Laravel provide like image validation and they are not allowing SVG image before, but in Laravel 12 they also given the options like allow SVG. Okay, usually when we are going doing and we just required like PNG, JPG or something like that format, we don't require SVG, but in some case we required SVG, so that's why Laravel 12 introducing like allow underscore SVG. Okay, so this all the Laravel 12 features I like and I just mentioned, but they are releasing in 24th February and they are going to also introduce some more features and enhancement. So I hope guys you like this video, and if you like then please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys.